I chose to come to the Tallulah Rose Flower School because I'd been following Rachel on Instagram and just thought everything she did was so beautiful and just inspiring and in the direction and the vein I was hoping to take my own floral studio. Oh my gosh, it's almost hard to even think how much has changed from the first day to our second to last day today. I think as a group, we've all become a lot more confident. I think we are better able to think ahead of what we want to do and sort of feel confident that we can achieve that vision that we have in our minds. And I think that's due to everything Rachel has been teaching us this week. I think the three favorite things I've done since I've been at Tallulah was to begin with the wiring workshop that Becky taught, because I had no idea how to do any of that. So there's a lot of incredible technical skills that I picked up. I'm excited for tomorrow because we're going to do a big wedding installation. So I think that will be an incredible learning curve. And then a lot of the business insights that Rachel was able to give us, how to do your Instagram, how to market yourself well, how to think about what the next couple things you want to work on in your business are and how to approach them. I think that kind of guidance is invaluable. I do. I'm about 3 years into my business. So my business has been up and running for a while, but definitely was winging it all the way in terms of the floral and just realized that that was where my passion really lay. So for me, this is a chance to take it to that next level professionally. I did look at American floral schools when I was trying to figure out where I wanted to go. And what I noticed was there was no one place that treated all the things I wanted to cover within one workshop schedule. So it would kind of be like hodgepodging and cobbling together the education I wanted, whereas Rachel's 2-week intensive course really hit all those notes that I really felt like I needed to work on. And then I also think that a lot of what you take home is the inspiration for how someone else approaches their flowers. And I really felt that sort of kinship to what I'd seen on her social media, that was someone who approached them a way that I responded to. And it felt like a good match, and it was. We were talking earlier about the friendships that we formed in this group, and I have to say, none of us had thought ahead of time about the other people. So it has been this incredible gift to find these other women, 6 other women that we've just bonded with so much. And to have that network even going forward, to have those people that we can check in with and say, hey, I did this, what do you think? Is just the unexpected bonus of being here is these ladies. It's been great. Say stop thinking about it and book your ticket and just do it, because you're not going to regret it. It's so hard for us when you're thinking about maybe taking a course or making an investment in yourself. It's so hard to take that step, but you cannot not win by doing this course. So I think they should do it.